3,264 winners. Rabbitola, 900. So, if you don't like it landing on a number, then, well, you'll remember that probably more than it landing on it. And said though, let's go. So wish you all the best, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome all the newcomers here, popping. The last Pacheco was it back in 2009? Boy, time does fly by. It's already, wow. That's Cash with 10x, everybody. Come on. Stay. Yes. There we go. Cash Hunt with a 10x, everybody. Didn't already know 13 years passed by that time. Has the session been lasting for 13 years? That's pretty crazy. All right, everyone. 10x on Cash Hunt with a toss. What do we got here? 100x is our best base multiplier. 15x is 20x as well. Look at that chonker right there. 750x, 500x. That's a lot of big boys. Let's go. Let's make this swell and well. Everybody make sure you think about puppies, kittens, yoga, something relaxing, something you enjoy, something you really love in life. All right, here we go. Bada bam. Time to decide. It's all randomized, all the multipliers. Take your favorite symbol, whether that's quack, quack, Daffy Duck out here, whether that's Bugs Bunny, what's up, Doc? Whether it's the cacti, whether it's the presents, if you're feeling in that December spirit already. All right, bam. How many we got? That's 85 players with 1,000x, 213, 750x, 337.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.